Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to use your iPhone if the power button is broken. You can add a virtual button and use it to turn off and on our iPhone. How to do this? Very simple. To do this we go into the settings of our iPhone. Now we click Accessibility. Now we select the touch item and turn on the functions Assistive Touch. Now we can decrease and brightness the brightness of this button. We can make it almost invisible or very bright. Now click on Customize and here we remove all unnecessary functions. After this, we will add an icon lock screen. Now we press Done. Now we can press this button and our iPhone is broken. If we don't use this button for a couple of seconds, it disappears. This is such a great and easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.